Welcome to my historical recipes. With Valentine's Day upcoming, I thought I will show you a dish this time that is good against lovesickness. And it's not just any dish against lovesickness, it comes from the Bible. In the Song of Songs 2:5 it says, "Strengthen me with raisins, refresh me with apples, for I am faint with love." The New International Version Bible translates the word Ashishim as raisins. The King James Version translates flagons, yet other translations use raisin cakes, flagons of wine, or even flowers. But the Talmudic tradition identifies the words with a kind of lentil fritter with honey and even gives us cooking instructions. And about those cooking instructions I would like to talk to you today. Now, the Talmud is, as you might know, a collection of rabbinical texts from the first half of the first millennium AD. And it gives this recipe with those ingredients here. What do we have here? Red lentils, 1 cup. 2 cups of all-purpose flour. We have a couple of eggs, some honey, sesame, a little bit of salt, and 2 cups of water. To start with, we boil those red lentils with a pinch of salt in the double amount, that's 2 cups, of water. For about 20 minutes, half an hour, then they should be soft. If you need to add a little bit more water, that it doesn't stick, then add some water. Good. Now we mix the boiled lentils with flour and a couple of eggs. And some sesame seeds. Stir well. Heat some oil in a pan. And then fry those lentil fritters. Like little pancakes. Now all we have to do is to drizzle the Ashishim with honey. You can find this recipe and others in my biblical cookbook From Eden to Jerusalem, that is available not only in English but also in Italian and German. Bon appetit!